Day 4 is not a big new feature day. The goal is to clean up and stabilize the Day 3 task feature, improve consistency, add simple validation, and keep the task APIs working. Day 3 Connected API, Application, and Domain. Day 4 makes that first flow cleaner and more professional before adding more endpoints. This is normal backend workflow: build small, test it, clean it, and continue. By the end of the day, the default weather forecast code should be removed, program.cs should be cleaner, empty task titles should be rejected, and Swagger should still show the task endpoints. The main files to edit are program.cs in the API project and taskservice.cs in the application project. The tasks controller may also need a small change to return a proper bad request response. The first cleanup is program.cs remove the summaries array, the weather forecast endpoint, and the weather forecast record. Keep only the real API setup for job tracker. Next, add simple validation in task service. Check the task title at the start of create task. If it is null, empty, or only spaces, throw an argument exception saying that the task title is required. The controller should convert validation failures into the right HTTP response. Catch argument exception and return 400 bad request, while keeping the valid create task flow working. Testing is required for this day. Run .NET Build, run the API project, open Swagger, then test a valid task create request and an invalid request with an empty title. The success check is clear. The API builds and runs, get tasks works, a valid post returns 200 OK, and an empty title returns 400 bad request. The stop rule keeps the learning focused. After validation works, stop. Do not add SQL Server, FCore, authentication, or update and delete endpoints yet.